Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm working on this ML2012. It's coming up with this here. Now this could be to do with anything within the ABS, could be the pad sensors or whatnot. However, we've done the diagnostic and it's come back with a brake vacuum sensor, C108214. Okay, so has an open circuit. So what I would that kind of tells me there is power not going to the sensor, in other words. Okay, but this isn't guaranteed. So what we would recommend is check the wiring first. So on this ML, okay, it's to be found right here. Can you see that black? Can you see that black sensor there? That one? That's where it is to be found. It's here. It's always on the vacuum here, the braking vacuum. This component here, it's always to be found on this, and this has a sensor. It's not this one, but it is actually that one there, so yours will have as well. We recommend chasing the wire first before doing anything in case there's a rip, because as you may appreciate, the vibration of the engine in the car does go through the wires and it just kind of goes through it. If that's fine, the sensor's not expensive, probably 20-30 quid if that's online, and you have to get genuine part, not aftermarket, because they'll probably still trigger. That'll be a case of plug and play, really, nothing needed. I'd say you probably need a flathead or something just to pop it out. It's really easy. Unplug the sensor there and plug the new one in, push it back in, done. Simple as that, really. In terms of part number, let's have a look. That's your part number there, guys. I mean, check yours may be not, ML, it may be something else, so the braking system will be a bit different, but that's what it is.